So anyway, let's go out there and show you what's going on with the forecast. We are looking at a little bit of snow out there on your live Doppler 10 radar. We've been tracking some flurries here in town. Actually, it's looking a little better right now. There are still some flurries. I literally was just outside looking at a few flurries, not showing up on the radar right now, and that's just because they're not as concentrated, so it doesn't quite see them, but still, a few flurries in town, and then as you move down 33, a little more snow shower activity, so we can see a few slick spots with those. Circleville, you're tracking some of that, just went through Lancaster, now into Laurel, Vinton County, into Athens, and down into Meigs County as well, so yeah, we got some blue on the radar. We had a lot more green on it yesterday. Well, now some blue. This will turn over to a few sprinkles, and once this gets out of here, we're going to have a little break, but you can still see a little moisture upstream. Not going to rule out a few sprinkles at times throughout the day, but all in all, looking a lot drier than it was yesterday. We picked up almost 0.6 of an inch of rain yesterday, and with officially some flurries out at the John Glenn International Airport today, that gives us 16 days with measurable precip or some sort of precip out at the airport, which is where the climate records are kept. It's only 19 days into the month. We've only had 3 dry days, and actually, look at that. They've all fallen on a Sunday, so there you go. So far this month, we are going to see a little drier weather as we get on in through the rest of the week, but still, though, it's not going to stay dry throughout the rest of it. We still have some rain on Wednesday, but we will get a little drier weather before you know it. Look outside, showing a little bit of moisture on some of those cameras, and you can see those temperatures are cold. We are in the low to mid-30s across the area. Look at your winds, though. They're coming out of the west, dragging in that cold air across the state at 14 miles per hour. Winds here in town, though, that gives us wind chill factors at London at 22, 25 in Columbus. We look at a wind chill factor in the low to mid-20s in Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead as well, and Marion, and really across the area. A lot of those spots with those wind chill values in the 20s. So a few flurries, sprinkles out there at times early for the outdoor workers. 33 degrees by 8 o'clock, 37 by 10. We'll end up at about 45 this afternoon. But with the winds, it's going to feel a little colder than that. And then tonight, we have clear skies, light winds. That sets us up for a freeze warning in effect tonight into tomorrow. So it looks like hour by hour, we'll be up to about 35 degrees with a little bit of a mix at times throughout the morning. 40 degrees by lunchtime. We get a few breaks in the clouds in the afternoon. We'll be overcast to mostly cloudy with a high of 45. And then clearing out tonight, cooler, 31 degrees with patchy frost late, back up to 58 tomorrow with a little warmer. We'll start off with some sun with some late day clouds, but it is going to be chilly out there today, 45 and breezy. Tomorrow, still below average, but at least we're back in the 50s. And you can see by Thursday, we're back near average, but we will track the chance for off and on rain, especially through the morning into the early afternoon. So it looks like your commute driving in Thursday could be a little bit dicey. 70 degrees on Friday. I'm liking that. Ooh, let's add 10 degrees to it. 80 on Saturday and Sunday. It's going to feel like summer by the time we get into the weekend. Some more rain on Monday. Behind that, we're going to be talking about much cooler weather, actually below average temperatures by the end of the 10-day forecast. Let's get on.